6 easy crochet amigurumi Christmas tree patterns. Stringy Ding Ding offers a free pattern for a Christmas tree amigurumi, a cute, easy difficulty project with safety eyes and an embroidered smile. The little colorful Christmas trees pattern from the Etsy shop Zoom Yummy is a digital download for making small crochet decorations that stand about 4 inches tall. The Stitchmas tree is a free pattern by designer Jessica Gore from the Sweater Collective for a crocheted Christmas ornament that doubles as a holder for stitch markers. From the Etsy shop Vibic Magnesium Design, this digital beginner-friendly PDF pattern written by designer Vibic Phantom Magnesium allows you to create your own decorative bauble Christmas trees. 3 designer Tanya Bush of Nana's Crafty Home provides a free pattern for a crochet Christmas bauble tree, which is designed to have significant texture using popcorn stitches. From the Etsy store Christmas Crochet Co., you can purchase a digitally restored vintage crochet pattern for white lace mini Christmas trees, designed as a lovely holiday decoration or heirloom gift. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.